Hi, my name is Josie Hockett, and I'm applying for the Forum Foundation Collegiate Scholarship. I am currently a senior at New Palestine High School. I play basketball and tennis, but haven't always been that involved due to 4 ankle surgeries and nerve damage complications. I am also involved in National Honor Society, Spanish Honor Society, and Student Council. I am currently the president of Science National Honor Society and Knitting Club. Outside of school, I clean houses, work as a receptionist for Just Hot Water Boats, and spend time with my friends and large family consisting of my 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am a dedicated student and plan to carry on this dedication in college and my future career. I am applying for the scholarship to try and go to my dream school. I would love to attend Butler University to pursue a degree in pharmacy. Butler is one of the best pharmacy programs in the state, and it also has a great community and staff. My goal is to try and afford to go to this school. I always thought Butler was a pretty school, but I learned just how much I liked it when I attended their pharmacy camp. The staff all came and told us amazing stories of their path to their career and also taught us more about the opportunities that come with a Doctor of Pharmacy degree from Butler. Interacting with their current students and staff just increased my love and knowledge of the school. As much as I love this school, I have to take into consideration the price. Butler is beautiful and amazing, but hard to pay for. Receiving this scholarship would mean the world to me because it would allow me to go to my dream school and get my dream degree. Thank you for considering me for this scholarship